Hi everyone, this is Indrajit and you are watching IconicIndra. Today I am discussing about how to select a tutor in Cambly application or how to choose a tutor in Cambly application. So some of you are questioning in the comment section that how to download it Cambly application and how to subscribe Cambly application. I have already made 2 videos regarding this, so you can check this out. I have given the link in this description as well as in the I button. Okay, you can check the 2 videos first, then you can see this video. Okay, now I am sharing the information regarding Cambly, that is how to select a teacher in Cambly. So first of all, you should know what is Cambly. Some of you does not know what is Cambly. Cambly is an application, that is English speaking application based in San Francisco, California. Okay, that connects native English speaking tutors with students more than 130 countries for live conversation based English sessions. Clear that what is Cambly? Okay, now I am going to tell you that how to select a tutor, or after selecting this favorite tutor you can make a video call with that tutor for live conversation based English session. Clear? Then you can connect the tutor for live session. Okay, now I am showing how to select a teacher in Cambly step by step. So don't skip this video. Please don't skip this video, because if you skip this then you cannot understand how to select a tutor, like the best tutor as well as your favorite tutor in Cambly application. And regarding this Cambly application, I want to tell something, that is, if you want to get free minutes in Cambly application, so please download the Cambly application through my link and register it through my link. You will get 5 minutes free and use my referral code, that is Indrajit280, INDRAJIT, Indrajit280. Okay, this is my referral code. I have given this link as well as the referral code in this description. Please download the Cambly application through this link. You will get 10 minutes free. Okay, so if you want to get free minutes in Cambly, then download it through my link. Now I am showing you how to select the best tutor in Cambly application. So let me show you through my mobile screen. So first of all, open the Cambly app. Now it is going on. Now click on that option, the search option. Now here comes this page. Then you can see a lot of teachers are here, like Kathy K, Stacy Kessel, Page A. Now you can see a lot of teachers are belongs to different countries like Australia, Canada, America, England. Now how to select the best tutor in Cambly? Look, under the teacher name you can see the rating, like 4.86 star out of 5, 4.91 star out of 5. So naturally you know the highest rating tutor is known as the best tutor in Cambly. So I select that tutor, teacher Vicky, that holds 4.91 star out of 5. So click on the teacher name, teacher Vicky. Now here comes the profile of teacher Vicky. Now you can see that the heart option. Okay, if you select that, then it will be selected as a favorite tutor. I choose it as a favorite. Okay, Now scrolling down, you can see a lot of things like introduction, languages, interest. The teacher have interested on what topic, you can read them and check it out. And the teacher holds the certificates like TESOL, and profession is online English tutor. Now you can see the reservation panel. Look, so all the date are reserved except this one. So I click on that date. Now you can see that option. Click on that option and I choose 15 minutes for conversation. Now click on that option, and when you are reserving your tutor, I choose 18th September, that is on Friday, and the time is 8:30 p.m. and click on that option, the next button. After clicking that option, a permission will be come, that is confirm reservation. If you reserve it, then click on that option, reserve. Now the tutor is reserved for live conversation based English session. Now scrolling up, click on practice English. You can choose any tutor to make a conversation on the right time. If you ready to take a English conversation with the foreign people, then click on that option. The option is practice English. Okay, now be patient. It may take a few minutes for a tutor to become available. Okay, as I do not want to practice English right now, so I am cancelling it, clicking yes. Then click on that option. It helps to notify you when the tutor is online. Okay. Now click on message option. You can message them to your favorite tutor like me. So you can write, "Hi madam." Look, the teacher says hi. Then I am asking to the tutor, to my favorite tutor, that is, "How are you?" It takes few time for internet connection. Then you can see the tutor replied, "Great, how are you? I saw that you made a reservation for next week. What would you like to practice?" This week on Friday, I meant. Now I am replying that basic conversation. So how to message the Cambly tutor, you can see in this video. Okay, back to the page. Now click on the profile video option and you can check the profile video of your favorite tutor like me. Look how I check the tutor's profile video. It is taking some time for network. Look, this is the profile video of the tutor. Okay, now back to the page. Now back to the home page and leave the Cambly app. I hope now it is very clear to all of you that how to select a teacher in Cambly application. Okay, or how to make a video call in Cambly application. Right? Now I am concluding this video with that. If this video is helpful to you, please give a like, because it motivates me as well as encourages me to upload a lot of videos regarding this, and share it to your friends as well as family members to practice English with them. Okay, and if you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel IconicIndra, because in this channel you will be updated for a lot of English related videos as well as some interesting videos. So see you soon in my next video. Stay safe, stay happy, and if you have any problem about this, so please DM to my Instagram. The user ID is IconicIndra. I have given this on the top here. Okay, and also I have given this the link of my Instagram account and user ID IconicIndra in this description. Okay, bye.